ng Giwananon! Once again, welcome to the 60th birthday salubong pasasalamat concert of Mayor Annalisa Gonzalez Juan. And I know that you are all excited for our concert for tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, hindi ko na kapapagpanihaon pa. And I know kayo na ba kung hinulat ka na? Ladies and gentlemen, our first performer for tonight for the 60th birthday concert of Mayor Annalisa. They are one of the best band in Butuan City, and most of them are cute and handsome. Yeah. At syempre, magaganda din yung kanilang mga sneakers. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all give our